Hey guys, I'm David. I'm gonna show you how to take off a door panel on a C8 Corvette. I'm gonna keep it short and simple because I know some people just want to knock some stuff out. But I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna get straight to the point. So we got a C8 here. So the first thing I do is I pop this cover right here. You got two screws right there. Oop. Those are two 7mm. Take those off. Alright, and next we have two T30s right here. I'm gonna show y'all a little trick though. I'll show you right now. For some reason, every time I take these off, the leather pops out because the screw is pretty much behind it. This one actually didn't do it, but I'll take it off all the way. This one, if you see there, the leather is over the screw. So with something like this, what I like to do is I just pretty much go around like that. I move the leather out the way, and then I come back and pull out the screw. Alright guys, next step, what you need is a panel popper. I like to start off from this side. Keep in mind that these clips that are holding the door panel are pretty hard to pop out. So use a pretty good amount of force. Just at the same time, be careful. So you see how that popped already? So at the same time, I try to stub my hand, like I pry on the panel, and I shove my fingers in the crack, and then I just pull it, pop it, and they came out. And I think there's another one in the middle, or should I say more to the outer side. I'll use my knee. I don't want to do that. To hold the door, and pop that. Pop that as well. And I think there's one more here. Alright. So once you got all the panels or the clips out, what I like to do, I like to start off from the back. I'll pop it up. And slowly go all the way to the front. Then you got your main connections. As you can see, there's a safety clip. Just pop those out and push it in, and it should come off. Here, I need to put this down. If you have any trouble, just use a little pick, push it in, and then pull it out. Easy. And there you go. And to put it back, you know, it's same process, just reverse. But that's how you remove a panel. Make sure you put it in somewhere safe. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, thumbs up. And if you want to leave any comments, please do. Thank you. Peace out.